yeah, 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 yeah. Last time on the New York Travel Guides visit to Cuba.
It's better to go piece by piece, otherwise you'll be over adding salt.
They took fines off salt added duties. He was over salting everything. We had some enchilado, which is pretty much a lobster stew.
Tell me, alright. We're playing some Michael right now, yo. Let's get it.
Yo, Travel Guides here. We at the all-star spot right here. You know what I'm saying? We just got dropped off. We'll go in there, see what's good, see what's popping. You know, try to get in some shenanigans tonight.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So we're here in the back entrance. Or in the back part, the more outdoor part of everything. There's an indoor part also, but we're outside because I guess, you know, when in Rome.
Yeah, why not?
It's beautiful back here.
Yeah,
the weather's really
nice.
nice.
There was nobody inside, and then we came back here, and then everybody's
back here.
So this is the spot to be.
I guess everybody wants to be outside.
We're gonna grab some drinks and chill out for a little bit. All right?
It's so sorry for me. It's like a shame you can see that this is like a pool. We have fish here, but we are cleaning right now. This like a Cuban cocktail, you know, mojito.
Of course.
This one chobito is like a big mojito.
Okay.
The name is one special client. One special client for us. So he always he's asking for a big mojito. So we create like a big mojito, and this is her name, Tobito.
We ordered a couple of cocktails. We have something coming out. I have a Tobito Mojito.
So Tobito Mojito, she explained it to us, is somebody famous that comes here, or a regular that comes here. He always wanted a larger mojito. So they named it after him. Him or her? I don't know what she said. Did you say her?
That is strong.
Travel Guides. Follow us. You'll be good.
So this is a very traditional Cuban plate. His name is chicharrones. It's from the skin of the pork fried. Something very peculiar for all the houses of Cuba. So would you like to try it?
Yes. Exactly what it is. Pork rind. But way better than what's in the store bag.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? All I need is a little bit of some hot pepper sauce on it, or the pepper powder. You know what I'm saying? And we'd be good money. Real good.
Something else on the house.
Fried ceviche.
Yes.
And she was going to give us a fork, but we decided to eat it with our hands.
Yes.
So,
And this is called Chinese beans.
Yeah.
I believe.
Yeah. So I'm about to go in.
Let's
check it
try
out.
this.
Little Chinese bean.
That's actually very good.
Very, very good. It
Try
is
some beans.
not too oily, not too greasy.
Yeah.
The ceviche is really, really on point. They didn't cook it too long. You can't, ceviche is cooked with like lime juice, lemon juice, or whatever, something like that. It's cooked in the acid. So the frying it, you gotta drop it in and take it out. Really, really good.
Really good. All right, so we got our pizza.
And
this was made from the brick oven they have back here.
Made in 1951.
1951. We have our shots. Well, let's take these shots first.
Oh my God.
We have our pizza, which we have to have right now. Let's get that together.
Oh. All right. All y'all know, we from New York, so we know what pizza tastes like.
Yeah, we do know pizza.
This is definitely not a New York pizza, but this pizza is really, really good. It's amazing. It's got a really flat crust.
Yeah,
nice. It's just crispy.
What I love is the ingredients that's on the pizza is so fresh, and they all kind of jump out at you as you're having the pizza. Like you feel the different ingredients in it.
Yeah, you taste like every flavor in this pizza, like you're saying, bro. This is really good.
I clearly finished my mojito, and I did smoke my cigar. My cigar is done.
You already know he don't smoke.
Fonz, on the other hand, still has a Marlin cigar. I don't even think he touched it.
I'm saving this for later. I'm saving this for later.
Cigar.
This is good for breakfast. With my eggs.
Yes. All right. So we're here at Espacios with our owner here. We just enjoyed a lot of drinks and a couple of appetizers, and we are getting a pizza to go because we have just had enough for today. The food here is excellent, and you can tell the ambiance is really, really something. It's only about midnight, a little bit past midnight, and it's just bustling, people in and out. There's a whole different section on the inside where it's more air conditioned and kind of like a club atmosphere.
I am dying right now. Travel God boss. I was done. You know me, USA. I haven't played this since college. And I haven't gone to college, Yo, Travel God here. And there's a reason why I left off the S. As you can see, I'm sitting here, got cameraman. Where's Ron? Where's Ron? Now, if you look back at yesterday, and you see all that beer pong he was playing, unfortunately, he's in the bed, knocked out, because he's hungover. Good job, bro. You know, Travel God doing what he does best, eating, just enjoying the scenery, doing my thing. Hopefully we'll catch Ron next go around. Travel God out. Look who I found, fam. Look who I found. Your man woke up from the dead, bruh.
Listen, all right? Cuba beat us down yesterday at beer pong. They destroyed us at beer pong, okay? And then I got destroyed. Right? I've been hungover like crazy because these crazy Cubans put real drinks inside of the cups.
Yeah.
Real strong drinks. I'm talking about vodka, pineapple,
Rum and Coke.
everything is inside of those cups.
There was like one cup with beer.
Yeah, and the cup with beer was almost full. Like they weren't playing around. And it tastes like there may be a tequila or something inside of the beer. So listen, I'm still not together, right? I'm dying.
But we about to go do a rum tasting in a few minutes.
And clearly, I have to do the rum tasting. Right now, we're having some coffee. At the bar, at the club.
Oh, yeah, Cochiba.
The hotel that we always end up in. I don't know why.
It's our little spot right here.
Our spot. We come here, unwind, and plan out everything. But it's beautiful here. It might not
nice views.
But
yeah. But you know, Travel God's out.
Travel God's out.
Coming up on our next New York Travel Guides episode.
Yo, Travel God's here. We at Basilio with my man Enrique. We about to go inside and get some drinks. He got this infused rum. He's got about, how many you said, 26?
26 flavors.
26 flavors.
Oh, wait, rum
oh man.
So we're going to do a tasting.
I'm excited.
Bring us some food too. We're going to have a whole different kind of experience here. All right?
Travel God's out.
Be sure to like and hit that subscribe button. New York Travel Guide.
Around the neck with the power grip. Left hand around the split, still pounding it. Got them Eagles acting out. We both finish and collapse in the cloud.